you heard me right. I'll show you the whole room. So here is the door. I'm sorry I cannot go outside because people are here outside, so it's awkward. So I am not going outside. From here it's the entrance, and that's our luggage. Ignore that. Here you can see that TV unit is here. Here you can see some sitting arrangements which are really cool, and one table is here. I'm sorry it's look dirty because we just finished our eating. And this is our area kitchen. See, only electric kettle is there, and you can make only tea. Okay, no coffee is here. Okay, only tea. You can prepare only tea. And here cupboard are here, but those are all empty. We thought we can keep our helmet here because no one is going to cook. No gas is provided, no oven is provided, so I don't know how someone can cook. So for us, it is a completely useless area. Now we can enter to the bedroom. Here's the bed. Bedroom is I think quite small than that kitchen actually. From window you can see the view. Actually not a great view, but yeah, it's okay, fine, we'll manage. Yeah. This is the wardrobe. Here we kept our bike gear. So yeah, this is like bathroom. They provide towels, toiletries are there, and yeah, so the bathroom is look like this. Yeah, it's clean and good. So yeah, this Ipalace Luxury Hotel does not contain the restaurant service. They don't have that. So if you want to eat here without cooking, you have to order from outside. You have to order from Zomato or Swiggy. I mean any outside food service you can order, but they will serve. They will provide those plates, those bowls, spoons. They will serve the food. So yeah, for us it's not a problem. We are actually pretty comfortable with this service. So if you come to Chikmagalur and if you like this video and if you think it's helpful, so you can visit this Ipalace Luxury Hotel in Chikmagalur, and it is in proper Chikmagalur. It is in near Chikmagalur bus stand. So you can come and visit here. You can stay here. You can enjoy the experience. For more videos like this, stay with us. Bye bye.